each and every morning. Don't you see me? Won't you hear me? Begging you to stay the way it used to be. Now I've said some time ago that I'd be fine to let it go. Baby, now I see that it ain't really so. 'Cause there's really nothing else that I'm truly wishing for. To have you back again just like before. So here with me, I hope you'll be. Oh baby, please come back to me. No matter what I tell myself, no lies can set me free. I'm sorry that I hurt you so. I never thought you'd walk and go, but I just need to let you know that I'd do anything to show how much I want you back. I love you so. Conversations, sweet emotions, these are all that's left to see in all directions. What should I do to forget you? I just can't accept you gone and that was true. 'Cause there's no one else can ever see the love let you go. Gotta tell you now that I really so. 'Cause there's nothing else but love. It's all I know I'm wishing for. To have you back again just like before. Stay here with me, I hope you'll be. Oh baby, please come back to me. No matter what I tell myself, no lies can set me free. I'm sorry that I hurt you so. Never thought you'd walk and go, but I just need to let you know that I'd do anything to show how much I want you back. I love you so. I'm sorry that I hurt you so. Never thought you'd walk and go, but I just need to let you know that I'd do anything to show how much I want you back. I love you so. And I just need to let you know that I'd do anything to show how much I want you back. I love you so. Puntik na nawala.
Kanina pa ako sumisigaw doon sa likod eh.
Salamat.
Iba rinig mo kami.
Oo nga.
Natawakan ka na squad eh. Bigla kang lumalabas. Ikaw ka naman kasi ang ganda-ganda ng boses mo, Rola.
Hindi, ano lang, kunti lang.
Pero grabe lang. Yung husky voice.
Oo, ganun talaga yung boses eh.
Pero alam mo, nakaka-proud na
Wow,
ikay
salamat
nasa
po.
America's Got Talent. Kumusta
Salamat
ang
po.
pakiramdam?
Kamusta?
Halo lahat. Excitement, kaba, lahat. At saka, yung pakiramdam ko, inano ko sa Panginoon, ginayran niya ako. Yun.
Viral. Kasi imagine niyo mga kada, si Roland po ay dating mangingisda at habal driver
Opo.
sa kanilang lugar.
Habal-habal driver po.
Habal-habal driver. Kaya kanina nung nag-entrance siya, merong
Yun.
motor na dala.
May motor ka
Andun
ba?
pa rin yung andun pa rin yung
Oo eh.
kwento ng buhay niya kung saan siya nagmula eh. At ngayon, eto ka na, Roland. At
Oo nga.
magkakaroon pa ng US tour.
Opo.
Wow!
This
coming April po.
Ikwento mo naman yan at
Oo.
invite mo na yung mga kada natin.
Wow, mga kada. Sos, ano lang po, sos ginoo ko. Bisaya kasi.
US na, US na.
Oh.
US na.
Meron namang translator. Okay na. Basta alam mo lang yung yes or no, pwede na. Ayun. Basta follow lang kayo sa Roland Abante Worldwide Fans. Yun, nandun lahat.
At tingnan nyo naman, or pwede
Yun,
nyo kayo
dyan.
mag-screenshot kayo dyan.
Sa US store po.
screens ninyo.
Yo, pwede.
And we're very proud of you, no? Kasi ikaw,
Salamat.
you were even called para
Yes.
sa AGT,
Opo.
di ba?
Sila po yung
Imagine mo, yung iba, di ba nag-audition, ikaw talaga, they really love you.
Tinawagan for that.
Very good ka.
At
We're very
nakaabot
proud of
hanggang
you.
Opo.
semifinalist.
Yes.
Buti na lang.
May susunod ka pa bang sasalihan, Roland?
Sa tingin ko ngayon, yung manager ko nafo-focus muna sa US store niya. Siya po kasi yung
Iba?
Anyway, ito
Iba,
We're very, very
Roland.
proud of you.
Pero alam mo yung maganda doon, amiga, hindi niya nakakalimutan kung saan siya nagmula.
Opo.
Di ba, amiga?
Yes.
Yun naman talaga yung magpapahumble sa'yo. Diba?
At dahil dyan,
Thank you so
meron din
much.
kaming gift para sa'yo mula sa Miniso.
Hala! Salamat po!
Ano po yung dialect natin?
Ano po, Bisaya?
Bisaya.
Bisaya po.
Batiin mo
Bugnaw
naman
ka, ayaw
sila.
ba
Perte yung bugnaw, ha?
Bugnaw, di ba?
Perte.
Bugnaw.
Perte.
Batiin mo naman sila maayong
Maayong
buntag.
buntag.
Mayong buntag mga Bisaya. Maraming Bisaya din dito sa Manila, di ba?
Oo, marami.
Marami din. Kayo din, Bisaya din kayo.
Kabalong magamay.
Thank you so much, Roland.
Thank you.
Abante ng abante lang
Yes,
sa
po.
pangarap, di ba?
Opo.
Maraming salamat mga kada. Kung kayo po yung nasa US, gusto nyo panoorin ang kanyang tour, punta na po kayo doon sa darating na Mayo. Doon po magsisimula ang kanyang US tour. At you can follow him on his social media accounts para sa mga iba po
At
niyang
maraming
events.
salamat sa inyong lahat na nandito na naman ako.
Yes.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you
Thank
also.
you.
Thank you for
I love your
inspiring.
voice.
Hi mga Kanet 25. This is Emma Tiglao. For more Kada Umaga updates, just click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook page.